Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am making a sweet potato pie. I'm going to go ahead and boil my sweet potatoes. You can bake them as well, but I would just rather put them on the stove for about 45 minutes. So once they've gone and you stick a fork in, and it should be able to go straight through. And I'm going to remove them and pour some really cold water in. And you can add ice as well just to cool them off a little bit, because I'm going to peel them. I like to peel them while they're still kind of hot so that the butter and everything can bind really well when I'm mixing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel all the skin off. Once I get them peeled, I'm just going to mash them up a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with my mixer and mix it around a little bit. And make sure when you're using your mixer you stop and rinse off the strings a few times, because the sweet potatoes are really stringy. And to that bowl, I'm going to add about a cup of evaporated milk, a stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, also a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg, also two to 3 eggs, maybe 3 eggs, and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and about 1 teaspoon of flour. And I'm just going to mix that up very well. And you might need to add stuff like a little bit more milk along the way, just whatever you desire, just add as you go. And I could have added a little bit more as well, but I'm just going to add the filling to the pie crust and bake that for about 45 minutes in a 350-degree oven. And if you want to add marshmallows or meringue topping, I would bake mine for at least about 20 or 30 minutes and take it out and add the topping and then bake it some more, so you won't burn the topping. But that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.